Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Hoover washing machine. It's a HNL2126. It's seen better days. It's got really bad bearings. I'm gonna just see if it spins. Let's go. Lights are on, it started clicking. Let's see what happens. Might make a bit of noise. Pretty clunky, but it's getting up to speed. Doing sorts of funny things there, and it looked like there was smoke coming out the back of it a minute ago. Quite a lot of smoke coming out of it. The inside's full, and it's billowing out the exhaust pipe. Not the exhaust, but the waste pipe. I've never seen one smoke like that before. Probably can't open the door, but it's full of smoke. Look, it's coming out the drawer. I hope you can see that. It's very difficult to see. It's just wisping out. I don't know if it's finished or if it'll go again. I'm not entirely sure. I presume it's the metal on rubber that's causing it to smoke. It's clear that that drum's all white. inside. You can see it. I hope you can see it coming out there. The door locked light is still on. There's a lot of smoke coming out there. That's kind of amazing. That's wonderful. Look at that. It doesn't smell bad, but there's a lot coming out of it. There's no magic here. This has just gone on with really bad bearings. It seems to be finishing now. I'm not sure what it was. Let's see if we can see. The machine's still on. Oh yeah, it looks like it's that rubber lip there is melted. I think that's probably what was sticking on it. So if I want to spin it up for destruction, I'm gonna have to take off the rubber. Let's see if we can do that one more time. You have to give the door a little kick on this one to get it to close. So we're going for a second spin cycle now. Hopefully it'll work. I think it should. I can't hear anything yet. It's clicking. Maybe. do you think? Is it gonna go? It's certainly trying to balance a load that it doesn't have. I wonder. I hope it does. I hope we get some more smoke. Maybe. It isn't the fastest spin in the world. It's pretty lazy, really. Like, that's not. Oh, it's getting maybe. There's the smoke again. That might be the end of that. I think I'm gonna have to cut the rubber off and just hot wire it. Or actually, maybe what I'll do is I'll leave the rubber on, see if I can hot wire it and just see if I can get it up to speed. We'll let this one end, we'll have a look at the smoke. I think I'll put the other stuff in another video. It's pretty good, I think. Yeah, it's still smoking. I think that's nearly the end of it. Okay, that was a Hoover washing machine, HNL2126 with smoke. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Subscribe to the playlist for washing machine destruction, or subscribe to my channel for all my videos. Thanks for watching, see you later.